Today I'm going to teach you how to ask AI for exactly what you want using something called Markdown prompting. When you are working on projects, learning new skill or just exploring AI tools, this technique will help you to write clear and structured prompt that get better result every time. Ask AI for exactly what you need with structured question and that get better result. What is Markdown prompting? Markdown is a format. Markdown is a way to format text in a simple and clean way without needing complicated tool. You can create heading, bold text, list, and more by using a few symbols. It is used everywhere, from documentation to blog, and it helps you to keep your text organized. For instance, here you can see the heading, created titles, bold text, make text stand out, and list item, create list. Why structure your prompt? Now why you should structure your prompt? When you give a question to an AI, it might give you unclear or incomplete answer. But when you structure it properly, you avoid confusion, save time, ensure you get the exact help you need. This helps especially in tasks like writing prompt, learning something new, interacting with AI where you want clear and actionable response. Markdown prompting format. Here is the structure format. I recommend it is simple but powerful. As you can see here, there is a role. What should the AI be? Okay, so the role is the thing that who or what kind of expert should you answer? Like what should the AI be? Then second is the objective. What do you want to achieve? What is your goal? There is a context. Context, any background information the AI need to know. Then there is the instruction text. Okay, in the instruction, the specific steps or action you want, like specific task, additional requirement, or final details. And the last one is a notes, extra reminder or tips to guide or response. This format help you to break your request into manageable parts so nothing get lost. The template ensure nothing gets lost in a translated between you need and AI responses. For example, AI job interview preparation. So here is how Markdown prompting transform a vague request into structured actionable guide for interview preparation. As you can see here, there is a role. So we can give a role to the AI. You are a career coach. Then is the objective. Objective, we can give the goal. Help me to prepare for a software engineering interview. Then is a context. I have a 3 year of Python experience. Then instruction. Then notes. We can give the instruction to it and then the notes. We can try this out in the chat GPT. Okay, the thing is that okay, so we can do one thing like we can ask simply as we ask normally, help me to prepare a software engineer job interview. Okay, this is a simple thing that we ask most of the time and it gives a result like this. It is a result that AI want to know, want to tell us. Okay, But what if we need one specific amount of result, and we want specific amount of information that we need? At that time, what we can do, we can use this kind of prompting. As you can see, we give the objective, we can give the role, context, instruction, and some notes. Let's see how it will react. Okay, this is the more clear and concise thing that ChatGPT gave us. Okay, as you can see, there is a some technical question that actually need for the interview preparation. Another is a sample answers. Some of the our HR type of question. Tell me about yourself. This kind of question. Then some confidence tips and everything. That for job interview needs. Okay, job interview preparation needs. As you can see here, there is not a detailed thing. Okay, it can just talk about like understanding the interview rounds and all. So as we can see, when we ask by using the Markdown prompting, it will give us a very structured answer. So this is the thing, when you use the Markdown prompting, AI will know what kind of answer that actually we need when we use this Markdown prompting. Okay, so same thing will happen for the climate change explanation. We can give the role, we can give the objectives, we can give the specific context, detailed instruction, and this kind of uh, uh, chat Markdown prompting we can provide. Okay, so we can also test this out. Okay, what we can do, we can use this. Let's see what kind of answer we can get. It gives a very structured answer. As you can see, there is a bullet marks, there is a main causes. It can give us a practical steps, everything. Markdown prompting works very well. When and how to use it. So the thing is that, when should I use the Markdown prompting? Anytime you want to structured, clear, and useful result. As you can see, the perfect for the writing details report and documentation, creating educational content and tutorials, planning complex project with multiple steps, any AI interaction requiring precision. Pro tips: be specific about your desired outcome. Always provide relevant background context. Break complex request into clear step. Include style and format precision. Before versus after comparison. Okay, so we can use this simple prompting, this web prompting. Help me write something about climate change for student. Structured prompt. Use the full Markdown prompt with the role, object, context, and instruction and notes. We can give the result like result in the work prompt, result in generic and focused content that may miss your specific need and audience requirement. In the structure prompting, produce targeted, comprehensive content perfectly tailored to your high score audience. So this kind of result we can get when we use the Markdown prompting, because AI don't know what actually you need. When you use Markdown prompting, he knows. Okay, they knows that this is what actually we need, and that kind of information AI will provide to you. Okay, so start from today. Transform your AI interaction with Markdown prompting and experience clearer, smarter response that deliver exactly what you need. Choose role, choose objective, instruction, notes. Okay, provide context. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.